Have you ever opened a course and watched lessons randomly? Then you felt informed, but still unsure what to do next. This lesson gives you a clear route, so you learn faster and avoid common mistakes. Today, you will learn 3 things. 1. How to choose your learning route for travel, living, or business. 2. The minimum you should learn first to prevent most problems. 3. A simple way to practice and track progress each week. This course supports 3 common goals. Travel in Japan, live in Japan for the long term. Work with Japanese companies. Each goal needs a different starting focus. If you learn in the wrong order, you may overstudy small details, or you may miss something that creates big trouble later. A traveler often needs smoother movement and fewer awkward moments. So the priority is basic etiquette, transport, food, and region differences. You do not need deep legal details on day 1. A new resident often needs daily systems. So the priority is housing, phone and internet, banking, medical access, and rules like garbage sorting. These basics reduce stress fast. A business beginner needs trust and process. So the priority is market expectations, decision-making, meeting style, and clear communication patterns. Small gaps here can slow everything down. Do this. Choose one route today. Write it down as your focus for the next 2 weeks. Avoid this. Avoid switching routes every day. It creates noise and you forget the practical steps. You do not need to learn everything to start. You need the small set that prevents most mistakes. Think of it as your safety foundation. For all routes, start with Start Here. You will learn how Japan works as a social system. You will learn expectations, not just rules. That reduces misunderstandings across travel, living, and business. Then add the next modules based on your goal. Travel route. Start here, then travel basics, then regions, then food, then culture codes. This sequence gives quick wins first. You will move better, order better, and blend in better. Living route. Start here, then daily life systems, then visa and legal basics, then culture codes, then language operations. This sequence removes daily friction. It helps you function without constant confusion. Business route. Start here, then business entry, then working with Japanese companies, then culture codes, then practical Japanese communication. This sequence helps you avoid the common trust killers. It also helps you interpret soft signals in meetings. Do this. Learn the first 2 modules of your route before going deeper. That is usually enough to start acting. Avoid this. Avoid starting with advanced topics because they feel impressive. It often increases anxiety and slows real progress. Small note, your exact needs may differ. City life and rural life can feel very different. Industries also have their own habits. Use the route as a guide, not a strict rule. Learning works best when you practice in small steps. Short weekly actions beat long study sessions once a month. Here is a simple weekly practice model. Pick 1 habit, 1 line of language, and 1 planning task. Do them for 7 days. Etiquette habit. On trains, match the room's volume. If others are quiet, you go quiet too. Language line. Practice 1 phrase for daily use. Sumimasen means excuse me. Arigato gozaimasu means thank you very much. Use them once per day. Planning task. If you are traveling, plan 1 day using transport and timing logic. If you are living, set up 1 system like phone or banking research. If you're doing business, rewrite 1 email to be clearer and calmer. Now, how to combine lessons. Use the recommended sequence as your default, but it is okay to skip when a lesson does not match your current stage. Here are simple skip rules. If you're a traveler, you can skip deep tax details at first. If you are a new resident, you can skip niche tourism until your daily life is stable. If you are focused on business, you can delay deep history, but keep culture codes early. Do this. Use a 2-week cycle. Week 1 is learning. Week 2 is practice and adjustments. Avoid this. Avoid collecting knowledge without using it. That often creates overthinking and hesitation. Tracking progress can be simple. Use a checklist and 2 reflection prompts. Checklist items can be short. I can handle a basic restaurant flow. I can use public transport with less stress. I can recover from small mistakes with a quick apology. I can explain my goal and next step clearly. Reflection prompts. What felt easier this week? What felt awkward? And what will I try next time? Pick 1 route, travel, living, or business, and follow the recommended sequence. Start with the minimum set that prevents most mistakes, then go deeper. Practice weekly with small actions and track progress with a simple checklist. Do this now in 5 minutes. Choose your route, travel, living, or business. Write the first 2 modules you will complete next. Then pick 1 weekly action using this checklist, 1 etiquette habit, 1 daily phrase, 1 planning task. Set a reminder for 7 days and keep it small. In the next lesson, we will cover unspoken rules in Japan. You will learn how to read the room, anticipate needs, and move with smooth flow.